Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this XP Deus filler number 1. Looking for top 3. First top gets 6, second gets 3, third gets 1. In the main, we are live. 657 list here. 10 entries. You got Carmel on the top, Bruno on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. You got 8 times. It's 657. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, we got Tyler, Corey, and Sharon on top. We must go 8. Good luck wish at 658. 658. Last and final roll. Top 3. That's what we're looking for. Congratulations goes to spot 9, Sharon. Spot 6 gets Joe. Sharon gets 6. Joe gets 3. Tyler gets 1. Congratulations, you 3. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won, please. We are done at 658. 658. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Have a good night.